This video is for deployment engineers, guiding them through configuring the production interface. Mech-Vision provides a configurable production interface. It is a terminal operating interface applied to the production line. The production interface is designed for on-site operators. It allows them to view unit production results, add new products and switch product lines. It also helps them facilitate maintenance and troubleshooting, and monitor equipment operation status. In this video, we will take the case, picking shafts with different sizes, for illustration. There are several functional areas in the production interface. The view area intuitively displays the unit production results. If necessary, we can add new types of workpieces to the production line with just 3 steps: make workpiece model, set production recipe and display workpiece model. In case of any issues, alert records and maintenance tools are available for operators to swiftly locate and resolve abnormal issues. The status area is used to monitor equipment operation status, helping operators view the status. To achieve the above functions, the Vision solution should be configured in advance. Moreover, we also need to confirm that the robot communication is connected, and the Vision system facilitates robot picking. Then, configure the running views according to the on-site demands. This allows operators to easily view the results of key steps. These results include the image captured by camera, point cloud match result, deep learning result, and vision result. To add new workpieces, it is essential to configure the production recipe in advance. The production recipe is the parameter recipe used in the production project. Through different production recipes, the parameter settings can be dynamically switched for the workpieces. This ensures stable recognition of workpieces with different sizes. It's worth noting that the workpiece model is an important parameter in the production recipe. For this case, we will generate the model for workpieces to be added through the model making project. To assist operators in maintenance and troubleshooting, some settings can be customized, such as role-based access control, production data storage and alert rules. To monitor the equipment operation status, such as camera connection, communication service and system performance, it's crucial to configure equipment for monitoring. The Vision system will automatically monitor the camera connection and communication service. For this, we just need to configure the disk for monitoring. With the above information in mind, we can configure the production interface to achieve these 4 functions. Here, we still take the shafts picking for illustration. Open the Vision solution with normal results and confirm that the robot communication is properly connected. The parameter recipe has been configured before. Therefore, navigate to the production interface configurator wizard. Click to enter it and configure the basic information of the unit. Configure the view area. The current solution uses the strategy of deep learning and 3D matching. Based on this, we need to add the 4 running views to the area and configure them. Configure the way to add new workpieces. The previously configured parameter recipe has been automatically linked as the production recipe. Thus, just select the corresponding mode-making project. Enable the production data storage and customize the role-based access control. Configure the alert rules based on actual needs. Configure the equipment for monitoring. Here, select the disk for monitoring and set rules accordingly. Now, we've complete the production interface configuration. Click Enter Production Interface. Test run the current solution in the production interface. Once the unit achieves normal operation, it can be handed over to on-site operators. On-site operators can refer to the video how to use the production interface for subsequent operations. The video will guide them to view unit production results, add new workpieces and switch workpiece types. It also shows the way to facilitate maintenance, troubleshoot and monitor equipment operation status.